noticed how most cards end up here. But this one.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Flow Trading Academy back again for another New York session. Thank you for being here. We're blessed to have you here with us today. Thank you for all the amazing likes and subs we've been getting recently over the last week or so, last couple of days. Really grateful for it, guys. Just helps us helps us grow the channel, helps us spread our knowledge and the way we trade to a greater audience. So we're very, very grateful for that, guys. I'm just a couple of TPs hit this morning already during London session with the Flow Trading Academy Premium. Was hoping that was going to run a little bit higher, but hey, let's get into the analysis right now for you guys on gold. Again, guys, bullish run continues on gold. You see how the value is continuing to trade higher, but interestingly, from today, this is inside day, so we're currently trading within yesterday's range. And you can see how we're starting to transact volume a little bit lower than yesterday's value area. So that's a very interesting thing to look out for. Definitely not opposed to taking shorts, guys. Obviously, we're incredibly bullish on gold overall. However, sells, there are always an opportunity to also take sells as well. But look at this, guys, where I'll be looking to take my shorts from. Ideally up here towards yesterday's daily high, which is around the 46.80s. Obviously got this really strong buying zone at the 46.24s on spot that we'll be looking to take advantage of. You can see this area held several times yesterday, held several times last night during Asia session, and has held ever since, and we've managed to capitalize on some fantastic buying trades this morning. So that's a really key area that we could be looking to take buys from, guys. Obviously we'll need to receive confirmation from the order flow before we do that. In fact, if we go over to the footprint chart right now, all of London session, guys, have created this range between, now we're looking at GCZ prices, so futures prices. We are currently trading between the 4700s and the 4675s. So this is a really, really strong range that we've created. You can see the VWAP is flattening out, creating an area of resistance at the highs here. We took our buys this down here, managed to catch 100 pips on that. There was another buy this morning just from here, from the 46.80s. Managed to catch a nice big move on that one as well. And you can see we're still struggling to break the 4700s, guys. So something to really consider, that every time we get up to this level at the 4600s, it does tend to reverse. Obviously, we've got to consider the delta as well is very negative for the day. So the cumulative delta telling us that there are more sellers in the market. So really at the moment, guys, we're just observing this range, looking at futures price between 4700s and the 4680s, looking to fade the range, fade the extremes. If we can get to, let's say, looking at spot price now, 46.24, potentially look to take buys again from there. Personally, the sells I would like to take, which I believe have got the more probability of working out, it's going to be up here around the 47.30s, 47.20s, because you can see here, guys, we have so much order flow activity at these highs. See there, 120, 80, 102 just down there, 110. So we've got huge amounts of volume being transacted on the ask, looking for sellers coming into the market, and they were able to push the price down. So just observing this range at the moment, guys, not looking to do anything silly. We're taking two very nice wins this morning on gold. Yesterday during New York with you guys, we took a loss, but we're able to get back in on the buys, which we took the Flow Trading Academy Premium, all documented on our Discord. There's the trade that I took this morning. Tried to leave runners, but they unfortunately got stopped out. And again, here's the New York session trade that we took as well. Unfortunately, did take that loss yesterday, guys, but lost the part of the game. Only one loss this week, followed by 3 wins in a row. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Hopefully everyone has a great session. I'm going to get the boys in now to give us their analysis. Okay. What's up?
What's up?
Hello.
Who wants to bless us with their analysis first? Wall?
All right, let's get it.
Yeah, here we go. Right, let's go over to you. Okay, fire away, Wall.
All right, so let's see. My trading fused up. All right, so we got the NASDAQ over here. Yesterday's New York session, we were selling NASDAQ, right? We sold it. and then we sold it again on the small little bounce here, and we were basically targeting the 28,960s, which held perfectly, surprisingly. I thought it would actually dig a little bit deeper into it, but no, it held like a champion. And now, obviously, come this morning's session, at the start of trading session, we started to transact volume above the New York range. And once we did that, we're trading back up into this larger distribution here. So we tagged this area already at the 420s, 29,420s, all the way up to 500s. And we tagged it to the tick and rejected. Now, this is going to get tricky here because this area could get filled up, but it would not fill up quickly. What would happen is it would just ping pong around and chop a lot and basically turn this into one large distribution, and you'd probably get a POC right in the middle of here. So what we can do is, if it pulls back into this call resistance gamma wall area, we start to get a flow of volume, we start to get the volume fading off here. Can try to look for buys to stay within this larger distribution, and obviously if we fail, we will take the retest to sell it back down, straight back down to these 29,000s yet again. Now above here, I'm not going to be interested in taking trades. It could get real messy. But if we clear this 29,500, then I'm interested in taking continuation buys up into 29,680s to take out these poor highs on the TPO. All right.
Amazing. Thank you all. Go to Kay.
Yes, sir.
Far away.
So yesterday we talked about how we are trying to reach this PLC, and as you can see, today we tapped it to the T and dropped back down. Okay, now let's look at volume profile. We got to the missing PLC. Okay. Now, what are we looking for today, guys? Today is really, really important. Okay, yes, gold market is really, really bullish, but today, just for today specifically, sellers are looking quite strong. I'll take it to my chart and I'll show you what sellers are sitting. Sellers sitting over here, sellers sitting over here. This whole area is full of sellers, and we got sellers down here. And I'm expecting the price to get back down to 4,600. Now, I'm quoting GCV price, guys, not GCZ. GCV price. Let's look at some options level, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is all expiration. As you can see, we got sellers sitting at 60 and 55, and below that we have some buyers. So those buyers could act as a support. Okay, and let's look at today's. This is most important, guys. As you can see, it's all sellers. However, look in between, we have buyers. So if you were to sell, these would be your targets, guys. Those buyers would be your targets. Below 46.65, I'm looking for sales. I'm looking for sales below HVL, 46.60 and 65. So that's it for now, Simon. There's nothing really to talk about other than, those things. Right now, you just take it from one level to another level. That's it. Hello?
Looks like Simon took a little break. Maybe someone's at the door again.
Probably.
So in the meantime, you can just
Okay,
talk it through
sure.
what you see.
So I'm expecting some resistance here, guys. Some resistance here. As you can see, market came down, tapped this box over here. We had buyers sitting here previously. So we found some support, started going back up. Now, this line is the HVL line, and HVL is our flip zone. Okay, flip zone. But keep in mind, as you can see, guys, to the T, we found resistance, came right back down. Now, what I want to see this price, if we were to go down, this price comes out of the box and starts trading volume around here. I do not want it to trade volume within this box, and currently we are doing that. Therefore, we might see some weaker of the highs and stuff like that. But hey, you never know because the HVL line is sitting right here. Now, let's take it to some TPOs and stuff. 30 minutes TPO. Okay, so as you can see, we had some values over here. We broke out of that value, started trading volume higher, then came back down to this value again. Well, is there anything specific that you're looking for?
As far as gold goes, like as long as we're, staying under this VWAP area, we know that the market's, happy to transact lower. So, yeah, looking for sells, but I would prefer it to, come up higher for sells, but we're already starting to get strong sellers here at the HVL level. So
Yeah,
I wouldn't be
so-
surprised to see this come back down and try to test these lows again.
Gotcha. Are you looking for this area?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that would be a really good sell.
Okay. Are you in a sell, Kay, right now?
Yes, I am in a sell. Yes.
Thanks for that, bro. Let's go get the book map back up for you guys. Yeah, as we were talking about earlier, this range between the 4700s, sort of where VWAP is, that what we was talking about earlier. We've got very large orders that keep getting added and then pulled on the current order book to the buy side. So we have passive buyers underneath price. So yeah, I'm happy that we've made some good profit today, guys, with the Flow Trading Academy Premium Group. If you're part of that, make sure you join the Discord. Link in the description, link on the main channel. Make sure you can trade with us throughout every single session during the day. Sometimes Asia as well is thrown in for good measure. Yeah, it's a really, really interesting area that gold is in right now, guys. Very, very interesting. I would also like a sell, but if I'm going to sell this, I need to get a little bit higher. Still looking at that 4700 zone, which, as you can see on footprint, has been an absolute rock solid resistance today. I think you could argue the 4680s have been absolutely fantastic support, and that's why we've had these moves to the upside. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys.
Days like today are where people will get stopped out a lot, just to let you know. So be very, very careful. Use smaller size. And yeah, be very, very cautious. I'm really tired, that's why I'm low on energy, which is a good thing, I guess.
We will always be very selective about the trades that we take. So just be, as Kay says, always manage your risk appropriately based on what the market is doing. Just because gold has been creating highs for the month throughout all August doesn't mean that today it's going to be doing that. As Kay said, potentially we could be looking for a downside move today. So you just got to be able to adapt to the market conditions. And very difficult to do if you're just looking at candlesticks, guys. Very, very difficult to do. If you're just relying on candlesticks for your trading, adapting to these types of market conditions, it's very easy to get chopped up in the market. This is where order flow, volume profile, TPO, bookmap charts really, really save us from being chopped out over and over again. It happens, of course it happens. We take losses, as I did yesterday live on stream, but we're able to, loss is just part of the game, but we're able to just take full advantage, use the tools we have available to us. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we're actually hovering around a POC right now as well, so expect a lot of backwards and forwards movement. It's not lost on me that we have these huge buy orders as well getting added beneath price, but today they've had absolutely no intention of filling. Only when these orders get filled do we start to get really interested. Let's see. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. September's going to be a huge month for us at the Flow Trading Academy, guys. We've got some massive things happening. Obviously, our YouTube is growing. We're so grateful for that, guys. Thank you for your support for all the videos that we post and the live stream. We've got giveaways coming up in September. We're going to look to give away a funded account as well. Working on getting affiliate links, so take advantage of discounts that we can give you as well. But to take advantage of all this, you've got to be in the Discord, guys. You've got to be in the Discord. Make sure you join us. Tons of free content in the free version of Discord. Tons of free, amazing videos. If you're interested in Bookmap, we've got a real good deep dive into there. If you're interested, oh, here we go, Goldie. Get some movement. Look at that. Delta's falling off a cliff. Order filled just there. This looks like it does want to continue.
Oh wow, am I sitting on beautiful profit? I am indeed. Okay.
There, guys, classic example of spoofing. The orders that were there now being pulled. Very interesting, guys. Was that you taking profit, Kay, or?
Yes, I have taken profit, bro. I'm not looking for a home run, like I said. You know, buyers are sitting really close to the sellers, so you can expect a lot of two-way trades and stuff like that. But there are more sellers in the market than buyers. Okay. So put to call ratio is 1.09, and it's leaning little bit on the seller side.
Oof.
And there you go, straight back up.
What a move up.
And this is where, you trade exactly what you see, because you can see we're in a range, like a tight little range here. And what's it doing? It's just going from one side to the other at the moment. So try not to get FOMO and think it's going to break out, because each time you do think it's going to break out, it just goes straight back in. So wait until it actually does finally break.
Yeah, absolutely. Days like these, guys, you really want to be fading the extremes. Wait for retail to think this is going to break out in one direction, let them flood the market, and then take the reversal, because we're quite clearly in a range right now.
Be very careful today. Do not look for home runs. Do not do that.
Tomorrow is a huge news day as well on gold. We've got GDP tomorrow. A lot of news coming through New York session. Expecting choppy waters on the lead up. Being very selective about our trades today. Made some good money today, so there's no reason to rush into anything.
Good stuff, boys. I was sleeping when you guys slayed the market.
See where we are. Hovering around these huge orders right now. Yeah, you can see by the delta, guys, absolutely collapsing right now. So definitely not looking to rush into buys.
Yes. You're getting aggressive.
Sellers getting super aggressive. Let's mark out our zone. I haven't got it on Bookmap. Let's get over to it. See, where were we looking? We're looking at 703. Bars and highs, low area of low volume. So about there would be great for some shorts, guys. We can get back up there.
Your wallet will thank you if wallets could talk. YouTube Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Let's see. Let's see if these sellers actually become trapped down here. Nope, they want to push it down. This is good though. First time we're seeing some really good selling on gold for a couple of weeks. Or a couple of days at least.
That.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you for the likes, guys. Much appreciated. We're so close to that next round number of subscribers. 1 subscriber lets us feed K for a week. If you could just keep subscribing, just keep subscribing, guys. Help us grow the channel. Whoa, that's a big boy. He's entered the market. He did not want that. He said no sellers. But they said we're going to come again.
I would love to see gold start to, sell off for like a significant amount of distance, because obviously gold's been ripping like nonstop for, quite a while now, and you're going to get a pullback obviously at some point. So what we would love to see is like once a little bit of selling momentum kicks in, and then all of a sudden retail, everyone starts getting bearish on gold. It starts going out on the news. It's like, oh no, it's bad news for gold. It's bad. That's the perfect time to get back in on the buy side, and you're gonna see it rip straight back up.
Yeah, 100%. Gold just couldn't sustain that up move. So you're always going to get, as we were talking about yesterday, guys, on the stream, you're going to get a pullback at some point. Yeah, there we go. Struggle again. Try to break those lows. It's going to be really careful, guys. We don't want to get chopped up in this. I know it's very, very tempting to try and take buys, sells, and just be active in the market, but protect your capital. Best thing to do. No worse feeling than getting chopped up in the market. Let's say you trade a prop firm. Let's say you have a daily drawdown limit, and you have to stop because you're getting very close to that, and then suddenly gold miraculously appears at the price you're waiting for to take that home run trade, but you've got no capital to trade with. So we'd always rather wait for that perfect opportunity, wait for our areas of interest to get tagged, look for the reaction from those areas, and then do our business. Market's not going anywhere. It's telling a story. It's up to us just to read it and act accordingly. See, there again, guys, buyers trying to lift the market. They're in a bit of a panic. See if they can hold. That's huge. Orders came in at the lows, guys, at the 46.90s. which is about the bottom of these two candles. One of these two candles. So that could be sellers trying to trade the breakout, as what we're saying. But for me, the range highs and lows are going to be the more attractive areas to take positions from, rather than this little middle area we find ourselves in. So you're chopping around the POC at the moment as well, which is always risky. So it's going to sit and wait. For those of you asking about the update on the $100, $200, $1,000 challenge, let's take a look. Phase 6. So K is 600% up now, guys. So he's absolutely killing it. Another withdrawal taken today, or made today. So that's on its way to him. A massive congratulations to Fade Trading Academy K. Absolutely smashing it, over halfway now to the $1,000 mark. If you are interested in following along, you've got to be in the Discord, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, and join the free Discord. You can follow along with that. You can even trade with K. As we said before, he breaks it up into individual phases. So you can absolutely deposit $100 into a brokerage and trade along with him. Just goes to show how it is possible to grow a small account, but with correct risk management, not $100 to $1 million in a week type shit. This is really slow, compounded growth, guys. All live for you as well, either in Flow Trading Academy or live on YouTube. Making amazing stuff going on. This community's got to go places, guys. Make sure you're along for the ride. Like and subscribe. Join the Flow Trading Academy.
We have some exciting news coming up in September. Like something really, really exciting. You might want to talk about it, Samuel, because I'm just going to sit back and watch the chart. I'm really low on energy today, really tired.
Yeah, no worry. I have talked about it, bro, but there's no harm in going over it again. The September, we've got huge things happening, guys. We've got the monthly giveaway that we're going to start in September. So we're giving away a funded account, and we are getting affiliate links as well from my prop firm. So we're going to be sharing those discount codes with you very shortly. K is in the World Championships as well. That's going to start in September. So guys, huge things happening over the next month or so in the Flow Trading Academy community. Make sure you take full advantage, like, subscribe, join the Discord. The discount code for 50% off your first month is FIRST. That's first. Get your first month 50% off. And trust me, guys, those codes are going to go. Once they're gone, they're gone. So make sure you take full advantage of those. Oh, Goldie. Yeah, huge things coming up the back end of this year, guys. Make sure you're along for the ride. There's no other streamer, no other community live on stream trading the way that we are. I mean, Christ, yes, I haven't got fancy gimmicks around my screen. I haven't got this AI generated backdrop for you guys, mainly because I need to see my fucking charts. I'm not interested in having cars and win rates and everything and codes and ABC concepts, STD concepts, all that stuff. Don't need that on my screen. What you're seeing now is real trading.
And also, if you think about it, there are people that are charging like guys $5,000-$6,000 and don't even trade live with them. Come on.
I know. And it's like a library of videos, pre-recorded videos. I mean, come on, guys.
Based on a market move that has already happened.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See that, guys? I know for a fact a lot of people were looking to buy that. I know for a fact that there are some streamers that would have considered buying that little green candle that was engulfing or looking to engulf, and they've just got absolutely destroyed. I've moved this risk reward just slightly to the left, guys. This was a trade we took earlier. I'm now fully out of that, just to not confuse you. We're not currently in any trade on gold. At this moment, guys, sells are looking like the optimum move, but we need to get higher for me. Where we are right now, it's just in the middle, stuck right in the middle. Not interested in trading this.
We are stuck between two minor values based on a 30 minutes TPO. We're stuck between those two values.
Yeah. What's causing this sort of back and forth right now? Edwin's here today. Christian, Alex, Play Trading Academy Premium. Absolutely killing it. They're here every single morning with us, guys. UK time, London session all the way to the end of NYSE. Incredibly grateful for their commitment and how fast they've picked things up. Also, guys, well, just learning with us as well. We're with you all day. Okay, it's not just a case of, you know, we send you a link to the Discord. You can join it. We're dipping in and out. We're there for like an hour or something in the morning. I mean, God, one of us will be with you in the premium execution room all day.
Mostly wall.
Mostly wall. Mostly wall.
Mostly me. Mostly me.
Yeah, he's really dedicated, man. I wish I was as dedicated as him.
You're as dedicated, man. I don't question that for a second. Don't question that.
Thank you, but I would like to be a little bit more dedicated.
Well, don't tell me about it. Just do it. Just do it.
Nike.
Okay, guys, we share our screens as well all day, so you do take advantage of not just my chart. If you're interested in Bookmap, of course, you can watch that all day, every day, or you can watch Wolf's chart and Kay's. Literally thousands of dollars worth of data just at your fingertips, guys. Also, the disadvantage with YouTube, the way we trade is so quick. So the disadvantage with YouTube is there's a slight delay. So if you want to trade live with us, you've got to be in the Discord, guys, in the premium room. Get live data straight to your fingertips.
Also, I know for most people, just as human beings, we learn better through, like hands-on. We rather than just reading a book, like reading someone's like order flow book, or just watching a pre-recorded order flow video, which is what most of these people are doing. And that's all well and good, but you really need that hands-on experience where it's like you're with us and we're actually like trading in front of you and you're actually seeing it happen. It's a different experience.
100%. I know I'm more of a. You have people that are more like a visual learner, and then the majority of people learn by both the visual and by doing, and I'm able to ask a question live as it's happening. It's not just a pre-recorded video that we're sending out. The fact that you can ask Wall, for example, a question right there and then is so powerful, guys. So powerful. We have got loads of videos. If you look at our YouTube, we've got some fantastic videos, pre-recorded videos for you guys. We do the weekly analysis every single Sunday for you guys to go into the week with a plan of how you're going to attack the market. We've got an incredible hit rate on those zones and trades that we call out in the weekly analysis as well. So much content, guys. It's so much incredible value for your money. I guarantee you will probably make a year's worth of subscription in a day with us.
So,
which is crazy to think about.
you know what they say, even a broken clock is right twice a day. And there are a lot of people that started trading order flow who have no clue what they're doing. I've seen this one person just like got a trade correct, and they were so excited. That's order flow, baby. That's order flow. It's like, come on, bro. I've seen the opposite happen like a million times. Don't get overly excited.
Yeah, definitely, guys. Definitely. Lots of order flow frauds out there right now.
Yeah, it's kind of shocking. And geez, I'm not gonna name the person, but I thought he was like, a good person, and then he's got like like the trading view order flow thing going on, and he was saying to his viewers like, okay, oh, this is just a pullback, guys. What beautiful order flow. And then it just cratered. The market just continued to crater, and he's like talking about, oh, beautiful overflow, just a pullback. It's just cratering. It's like, he's got no idea what he's talking about.
First of all, do they even understand what order flow means?
No, they don't. They don't. They're
Beautiful
just
order
saying the
flow.
word.
You know what I think? I think generally some of these gurus that are new to order flow see it as like they can rebrand it, similar to I can't trade ICT, like an order blocks.
Wait, how did you come up with that? I can't trade. That is funny.
ICT. Yeah, I've got. Whoa. Okay, guys, that's why we don't rush into buys. What a push down that is on gold. What a push down. Ah, what a shame we didn't take advantage of the.
Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Sorry, Simon.
Oh, I love that. These guys in the community, these guys call me out in the community because I use Bookmap and everything is so large on my screen. I'm like, holy shit! These guys are like, nothing happened, bro. Nothing happened.
I'm in a short.
Okay.
Okay, K's in shorts. Do you want me to get to your screen, bro?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Yep.
So the reason I shorted the market, because as you can see, we had a value here, and this is a value here, and market was trapped within these two values. We just broke inside this value with single print. Okay, and if you look in between, we had value here, created some value here. So I'm solely trading based on TPO, guys, and today's trades are highly risky. So be really careful. Again, I'm going to stress that out to you guys. Also, another reason I shorted the market, because you can see we're below the HVL. So I'm looking to take it back down to this bit. No further. If we get aggressive break below this, we can see sellers sitting all over the place. That's when I'm going to get even more aggressive and try to short it back down to this region. So that's about it for now, Simon.
Okay, thank you.
Unless you
Man.
want me to do some live reading or something, but in this region, it's going to be really noisy. So I'd rather not.
Yeah, no, that's fine, bro. We'll just take it back over. See, we've got a nice sharp move down, just immediately pull back up. So let's see if the 4690s can hold. See what we can do here.
I'll tell you what we can do here. We can
Nothing.
sit back and have a drink.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, nothing. We're coming straight back into the range. There it is. Straight back inside. Well, I thought it was exciting.
Okay, we should get some resistance about a couple of handles above.
See if he's going to go all the way to visit the 4700s.
Based on a 30 minutes TPO, we do have a poor low sitting under. So yes, I can target that.
Straight back up into that range.
There you go. This is where I'm expecting some resistance, and it came. Wow.
What a mess. Let's just call it what it is. What an absolute mess.
Guys, do not take any more risk than you should. Even if you do not get to trade today, you're not losing out. It's better than losing money. Just sit back and watch the paint dry. Even if you watch the market, you're going to get a lot of knowledge. Screen time is something that you cannot learn. No teacher can teach you this skill. So spend more time on the screen and learn. See the market behavior, see how it works and stuff.
Sometimes it's good just to sit back and just watch. Just watch it. You don't even need to trade. Just watch the order flow. You know, you're trading time. call it trading time. But you're just learning. Just watch. Just observe the reactions from the different levels. You know, build up that confidence before entering. Just observe. I've got NYSE open to come, guys, at 2:30 UK time, so that's all good. Comex, I think it's been and gone wall. Is that right? That happened earlier.
Yes.
Been and gone. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. I think we've got new home sales at 3 o'clock our time, so that's about hour and 15 still to go for that. Let's see what we get. As I said, guys, I had a really good day so far. Having a really good week, despite that one loss on stream. As I said, we came straight back off. Got some more wins. Two wins today. I'm definitely not in a position that I want to start giving my money back to the market. There's some orders stacking above price right now, so that's good. Come on, let's get to the top of this range so we can do something.
That's good. That's good for who?
I'm trying to be positive for case sell.
Oh, okay. I see. Good for the sellers.
Good for the sellers. Good for the sellers. Anything on NAS for you yet, War?
Not yet. There's nothing of no high quality trade.
Yeah. See this. mark up this area as an area of interest right now. Very large sellers. Oh, God, gold can just get sort of back up to the 700s, maybe the BWAP. Would be interested in taking shorts from up there. Look at the delta though for today, man. Absolute downtrend. Oh, okay. Let's have a look. See, gold's moving up. Excellent. Let's see. Glad to see everyone's enjoying the shorts that we're putting out on Flow Trading Academy. That's some really good reactions to the most recent videos we've been putting out there. So once again, thank you for all the love that you're showing the channel. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you have any suggestions for the content that you want to see, by all means, send them to us in the chat. Send them to us on the Discord. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know what you want to learn more of.
Yeah, it'd be great to get feedback from the community, so we can, cater to your needs and improve on our content.
100%. We know how unique this community is, guys. We recognize how unique what we're teaching is. We recognize how unique our style of trading is. Well, not unique in terms of the trading industry. I mean, God, the industry traders, hedge funds, institutional traders. This is all like riding a bike to them. Automatic, simple. They look at Bookmap, they look at volume profile, TPO, tick charts, what they do on a daily basis. But in terms of, I suppose, the retail space, we know that this is an incredible, unique offering that we've got, and we really want to share it with you guys because it doesn't have to be. Sometimes I feel in this industry, when I say industry, the retail space, where these scammers and gurus are taking advantage of people and taking their money and taking their funds. They sell you something on a basis that stuff like order flow and what the institutional traders do is so out of reach for you. It's not out of reach. We have access to it. It's very easy to get access to this stuff. There seems to be such a resistance to it. So really want to open your eyes to this space. And I know Christian and Alex and Liam have really had their minds blown in their first couple of weeks, in the first couple of sessions with us, just of what the art of possible is. Okay, guys, gold is really moving now. Here we go. Are we touching that area of the 7? We are. We're at the top of the range now. Whoa, anything for you yet?
I got some water on the side here.
Still just chilling.
Yep, just chilling.
Nice. We have reached the top of the range. I'm trying to get excited, but there's nothing here right now. Hey, how you doing, man? You at
I'm
your
good,
cell?
bro.
You still in the cell?
Yes, I'm holding on to you. I'm looking to add, depending on how this goes within the next 1 minute or so. Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm looking to add. I'm just overly tired today, that's all.
Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully find a trade for you guys. But we're being very patient, very selective what we're looking for. The gold is just in this range right now.
Getting a mixed signal here because every time market touch the HVO, I see a lot of aggressive buy delta. Okay, there you go. I would have short today if we had negative delta on this previous 5 minutes candle, but we had positive delta, so I'm just holding on to my horses for now. Not gonna do anything. Just gonna sit back and watch it.
Man, K is super low in energy today. He needs a Red Bull to give him some wings.
Bro,
Oh,
you're telling
God.
me I'm drinking a Lucozade de la right now as I'm talking to you. It's my fault. Do you know what happened last night? Around like 10 o'clock, I took a bloody pre-workout shot. So
Why?
I could not sleep all night.
Oh, okay.
That explains it. That explains it. You can have a pre-workout late at night. That will explain it.
Yeah.
This might go a little bit higher. Let's see.
Yeah, hoping so. I'm hoping it tries to break the highs
Yeah.
and gets rejected.
Yeah, see some sort of like failure. And then once they fail, we can sell it straight back down through the range again.
Yeah, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. That would be the trade, guys. Just try and catch. What we like to try and do is fade the extremes within a ranging market and try and catch buyers and sellers offside. So when they become trapped, whenever you see a range try and break, this is where just my observation and the data I've collected is breakout trades fail more often than they win. And
Yes.
the reason for that is because you have so much volume coming to the market looking to trade that breakout, that it's just an invitation for large sellers or large buyers, depending which way you're trading it, to wipe them out. So breakouts, okay, as Kay very, very eloquently put earlier, broken watch is right twice a day. Breakouts can work, of course they can, but long term, particularly on gold, you're gonna get whacked. So when we're in ranging markets, my favorite playbook is to fade the extremes and trap buyers and sellers offside.
What's up, Ryu?
Ryu's in the chat. What's that, man? Thanks for stopping by.
Now, what traders get wrong about like breakouts is they don't even, they don't know the concept of single prints and they don't understand volume. So once you understand more things about the order flow, then you can actually trade a proper breakout, which is confirmed, by single prints and so forth.
Correct. Yeah. Absolutely.
Every breakout has some distinct characteristics to it. And if you want to trade breakout, you have to recognize those things.
Absolutely. If you're trying to trade a breakout just by looking at a candlestick, that's where you're going to go wrong. And we've seen it. We've seen so many traders ask us, "Well, why didn't that work? We're so clearly bullish. We're breaking above. Why is it not continuing? What's going on? Why is it stopping me out and then going? What the fuck?" And that's where you get into chasing moves, FOMO, getting back into a trade, chasing. The order flow tools like Bookmap, Footprint, Volume Profile, they just take all that away. We lose, of course we do, but the losses don't feel like such a kick in the bollocks.
All right. We created some more value in the middle.
Woo.
So, expecting a little bit more drop on this. Okay, a little bit more. I'll tell you bit by bit.
Oh wow!
Now
look
I'm
at that.
expecting some buyers to walk in. There you go. Let the push back up. Now it's coming down. Do we break back inside the other value? That's the main thing. Okay, we're tapping that zone right now. There you go. Do we break inside?
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs
We are rejecting that value.
free of charge.
Okay, we rejected that value. Looks like we're going to be hanging about around the middle now. So the range is about 32.95 to 42.70. So about 10 handles. Yeah, bro. 10 seconds FPG. I had a guy who asked me whether if I look at 1 second chart, I was mind blown.
1 second chart.
Yeah, remember the Chichil guy, Simon?
Yes. Yeah.
Chichil. Yeah, that guy.
Wow.
I'm like, why would I look at 1 second chart? He's like, I trade it. I'm like, good for you. Okay, we do have poor low. Okay, about 9 handles below the current price. So I'm expecting a quick flash down.
Yeah,
there you go.
There we
it comes. Can we get to the poor low? And that's where I'll take my full TP. One second chart. My God. I don't think even algos can do that. Well, algos can, bro. But I don't think algos use 1 second chart to trade. Notice a building volume below that value that we built in the middle. So can we go down and build some more volume so we can go down? Yeah, right. We know what you mean, bro. How? He's confirming it. We know what you meant anyway.
See if buyers can try and hold above this. Oh, that's such a good move down from the top of the range. Just didn't get any confirmation before that very sharp drop happened.
We do have buyers sitting here, but
We do,
do they
yeah.
get absorbed? We do have also we have aggressive negative delta. So I want to see those sellers being rewarded and those buyers getting demolished. Then the scenario of selling below the HVLO if aggressive sellers makes sense, right?
Yep.
Looks like Lucas are waking me up a little bit. I'm talking a little bit more.
Such negative delta there. Such aggressive selling. Are they going to get rewarded? That's the
Question.
Whoa.
I don't like the way we closed.
Yeah.
Looks like we're heading back up.
Yeah. Saw something on the order book there.
It's just waiting for 2:30 right now, bro. That's what it is.
Yeah. Thought I saw a flash on the order book. Something got added and then filled. Yeah, it's just there. No.
All right, let it do his thing. Coming back.
86. Wow, that's no joke, guys. This looks like it's going to. You can just about see that. Yeah, the 46.90s. I see if the 90s can hold again. Huge negative coming through. Huge aggressive selling coming through as well. So I might continue. Oh, okay, what was that? Okay.
I think K closed in profit.
Yeah, nice. Delta is so negative. So negative, guys. 90s.
Check out the new music video, I Can't Wait, from Phoebe.
This manages to break below the 70s. This is gonna flush. Anything for you yet, War?
Nothing. At this stage, I'm just waiting for NYSE to trade my NASDAQ.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I took my profit off.
Nice,
Took
man.
1%, by the way.
Beautiful.
Took 1%. Okay, 23% up on phase 7.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Start going back up, eh? Yeah. Goldie, Goldie,
Mhm.
Goldie.
Tomorrow is going to be interesting.
What's that, bro?
Tomorrow going to be
Oh,
interesting.
yeah. Yeah, all the news.
Tomorrow is all buy.
Yeah.
All buy. And remember what I said about 26?
Mm-hmm.
26. We have 38% gamma expiring, so expect a lot of volatility. So if you do not get to make money today, guys, tomorrow you are making it. Simple. Now, if we go up tomorrow, I'm expecting a down move today. If we can get back down to 4,600 on GCV, oh boy, that would be a really good buy.
Don't rush into anything just yet, guys. See if the sellers can get rewarded here.
Hop on over to my chart for a second, Simon, if you can.
Yep.
If we can break below this level, okay, this level right here, then sellers can pick up the momentum. Okay, and this would be the target. So just wait for sellers to show us their hands, and then we go in. Until then, just sit tight. Don't do anything. We have to clear this area. And as you can see, only reason I took my profit earlier, we had aggressive move down, came back down here. And what was there? Look at this. Exactly to the T. Okay, and on the TPO chart, you can see market is stuck between, yeah, there's a value here, there's a value here. Now we build some value here. So yeah, just sit back. We do have a lot of poor lows at the bottom, which we'll try to target if we get the sell opportunity. You can take it back, bro.
Nice. Again, I'll leave with you. I'll be right. I just need to go to the toilet. I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you. So we can see we're building a lot of volume on this candle. A lot of volume. Let's see how we close. If we close on the upper end of this, we are going back up to this price. Going back up here. If we close below, like, below this Let me quickly mark it. We need to close below this. Then we can go a little bit lower. Now I'll have to go and find out what price you could get to. Let's see if you can find it. I might have to go quite far back. What's the current price on gold? 46.29. 46.29, so quite far back. Wow. I'll give you guys the price. Bear with me. There you go. We're nearly there. Okay, I can see an area. This whole area, guys. You can see a lot of volume took place here. So 46.19 is the area. Let's go back to current market. See what's going on. There you go. Oh God, we are going there. And there you go, guys. We took out the poor low. We got to this composite PLC.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube.
We got to this composite PLC. Did we break below this? Yes, we did. Now I'm gonna go over to my footprint.
It's way more than ad-free.
I wanna
1 month
see
charge.
a pullback a little bit so I can sell it. We have this massive area of volume. Now we need to see it do volume. Is it doing volume? That's the most important thing. We do have a lot of poor lows under too.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, remember we said we're gonna look to get to this zone. And before I could even scroll over to my chart, it did, like almost there. Almost there. I want to see it go down and put in some volume. Where's my order sitting at? My order sitting at 45.73. By the way, if you do see any heavy buy coming in now, you do not want to buy, guys. Right now, dealers are buying the market to support the market. So it has a soft landing. It doesn't mean they are buying. You want to sell with the aggressive sellers. If you can come back up to this point, is where I would like to initiate my sell trade. And possibly target. This is the first area where I'll be looking to target. Then these poor lows. Also, if you look at this, we broke below this zone. Now we can look to go down. Okay, we got to the put support. Looks like I can short the market. Okay, I'm in. I'm in on a sell, guys. Now, we are below HVL. The swings are going to be much wider and larger. Yes, I got in a little bit early, which is fine. Which is fine. Overall context is on our side. By the
Yes.
way, yeah. You
Sorry,
back?
bro. I'm just yeah. I'm just
All
gonna
right, you can take it back.
understand. So K's in shorts. I'm just looking at the 90s, guys. That we were. Damn it! Already broke. Already did it. If we can get back up to the 86s, yeah, I'm not looking to buy from this level anymore, guys. Just such aggressive. We can get back up to the 86s. potential for a good short opportunity. Now we've broken these lows. Anything for you all? I know K's and sells, but
Oh yeah, just a good nap, baby. Just a good nap.
did you take anything?
No.
I need to see the 86s, guys. So I held all that aggressive selling from previous. So the 86s or the 90s would be nice. Ah, oh, motherfucker, you're not gonna get there, are you?
Sorry, guys. Got a phone call. One sec.
Oh, give us the pullback. Give us the pullback.
I'm looking for another 20 handle drop. Yep. Another 20 handle drop. It's all sellers now. Okay, I'll just let it do its thing. At least we are able to give something back to the viewers, you know? That's all I care
Yep.
about. Give them some value for their time.
See, guys, we can get back up to the. Come on, baby. Give me the. He's already executed a sell trade, guys, so by all means take that. I'm looking for sells as well, but I would need to see a pullback to the 86s or the 90s that we were talking about earlier, just before I left. Not looking to buy from here anymore, guys. This delta's so negative. Such aggressive selling. Mother.
What's happening?
It's this dropping. It's just gonna drop.
Ah, yep.
Oh, it's gone, I think, guys. I think it's gonna keep dropping.
Yes.
Oh, well
Oh,
done.
yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, yes. Okay, I'm closing.
Beautiful. Well done.
Thank you, bro.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm glad I was able to do something for the viewers. Let's go. We done it. We done it, not me. We done it.
Very nice sales, guys. Very nice sales. Yeah, just could not get a pullback.
By the way, you could drop a lot lower, so be careful. Because I made my money, I just didn't care. W in the chat, guys. W in the
Those
chat.
W's. Let's see those W's.
Thank you, Ryu. Thank you. Great minds think alike, bro.
Beautiful. Well done. Very nice. Very nice trade, guys. Not this. Can't see us getting a pullback, guys. But let's not give up. I'll wait until the NYSE opens. See if that gives us anything.
Can we please get back down to 4,600 on GCV? I'm rotting for that price, man. You meant to say W, bro, not we.
I know. I said we. I said we. We. We.
We?
Oh, what a great move down that was, guys. Oh, beautiful.
We are always. Yeah, no problem, bro. You can join anytime. Just drop us a message on Discord on the general chat and say like, oh, let's just hang about for a bit, guys, and we'll be there. And we're always on free general chat anyway. We're always there. Are we not? Yeah, we are.
Wow. Great sell, guys. Great sell. If you're able to jump on that with K. That is pretty much the trade I was looking for. Just couldn't get a pullback, couldn't get a fill.
Looking for another 400s drop on this from where
Yeah.
it is. Now, that's how you trade breakout. There you go. I said it.
Yeah, exactly.
Very
That's
good.
how to trade them properly for sure.
And this is a legit breakdown.
Yeah.
And earlier I was going to mention it, but I didn't say it because I was low on energy. But listen, a good breakout will never give you a second chance. Look at this breakout. Did it give you a second chance? No. It's just gone. It's just gone.
Exactly.
Can we get a pullback a little bit higher? Can get a pullback a little bit higher. I might look to. Tell you what, not really. It's just rejecting from where it's supposed to reject from. Can you see wall? Are you looking at my chart?
Yep. That's it.
There you go.
You've
It's
got
this-
NYSE opening in 3 minutes. If that gives us a pullback. Still got a lot more room. Still got a lot more room to the downside.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm joining the show again.
Okay, K's in shorts again, guys. K's in shorts.
It's a small stop loss, by the way. Like really, really small. I'm talking about one handle. Don't take me out. I'm safe. Because we just broke out of one value. Okay, we're breaking back in. Can we break back out? Thank you very much. I'm looking to get to this value now. Okay, if that is the case, I will be out. I do not care. Okay, I'm out. Took an L. I'm gonna hold on to my challenge account though. Prop farm account, I just took the L. I don't care. It's a small stop, small loss.
Shouldn't go too far past here though.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, did I exit it prematurely? Yes, I did. I did exit it prematurely. Okay. Whatever.
I have that problem.
Yeah. Alright, I'm taking my profit, 1.5%. Done. 35% up on phase 7.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. Take care, Rai. Take care, bro.
Take care, Ray. Thanks for stopping by, my friend.
There you go. Sometimes that's why you need to be patient. I wasn't patient enough. To be honest, I wasn't looking at my volume profile because look at my chart wall. This is the zone I marked. Stop loss should have been above that, right? But I was looking at this. Okay, 2:30. There comes the hot step up, murderer.
Here it comes. 2:30, guys. NYSC. Here they come. Let's see what they can do.
Short in.
Yeah, they're struggling at the 73s. Okay, guys, got an amazing sale with K. I'm going to give it a little while longer now that NYC is open, but I've already made excellent money during London session. I know that Wall has as well, and K's just absolutely destroyed NYSC. No point in rushing into a trade to give our money back. Thank you everyone for stopping by. I'll give it a little bit longer. Really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Three more subs, guys. All we need is 3 more subs. Congratulations to everyone that took that short. Whoa, anything for you, my friend? Anything on NAS? Gold's been well and truly cooked. No.
I got nothing.
Wall's got nothing. NYSC, I've had nothing, but let's see.
Bloody hell, by mistake, I'm faking the number. What the hell? Where did I get the 37% from? 35?
Still got a lot more room to the downside, guys. Delta is very, very negative, so it's going to be sells, sell for the rest of today. Even if we don't get anything on stream, or I don't get anything, obviously you guys have had a trade from K, we'll be straight back into the Flow Trading Academy Discord. You can continue to trade with us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and join the free Discord.
We do have a short opportunity coming up, Simon.
Yeah, oh no, I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, not going anywhere. Just looking for a deeper pullback.
Yes, I should be getting in on a sell soon. I just needed to go up 4 more handles, and then I'm in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm in.
looking at the same area.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
sport. Yeah.
Oh yes, let's go.
Yeah, I think we're all looking at the sort of the 83s, 86s levels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Edwin, where's Edwin?
I'm looking at 80 actually. Well, not really. Once it goes there, I'll know. I'm not sure. Where is Edwin?
Oh, he was here.
Edwina.
Like, drop from here.
Put my limit order at 81.
Are you or GCZ?
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotcha. That is about, that's the 220 candle for us. So yeah,
250.
that makes sense. That's about here.
Yeah.
Are you in?
I'm sure it's 215. No. I just put my limit order on my CFD account.
Yeah, 215. Yeah, 215 candle. Let's have a look. See if we get filled.
And those closing price, yes.
Not in yet, guys. Not in. Oh, it's got to drop from here, isn't it?
Guys, Simon's not in yet. Just wait for a little bit longer. I hope you guys got the joke, man.
the better joke would be, I've been in for a while.
That brings back memory. I'm sure I told you guys about this.
Yeah, you have. Oh, it's gonna drop already. It's not gonna fill. Not gonna fill.
Just like that. It's just going.
Yeah. One of those days.
A true breaker never gives you a second chance, guys. Never ever.
One of those days.
Yeah, then at the bottom we're gonna visit the Gex tree really soon. So maybe from there and then to the 600s.
Oh wow.
I took my limit order off.
Yeah.
There's no point.
It's already hit the take profit, guys. It's already hit the take
Yeah.
profit.
Literally. You could go a little bit lower. I can see 1, 2. I mean, we're looking to get to this value now, so yeah. Let's go there.
That was 20 pips away from filling. 20 pips.
Yeah.
Yep.
How far was I off? I was off like 2 handles, 2.3.
Yeah, 20, exactly the same. Wall's being really quiet. Wall's being too quiet.
No, I'm just staring at Naz. I probably should have looked at gold. Maybe we'll cut that sell there.
Wall been wall in it. Come on, Wall. Wake up.
Yeah, I'm low on energy today too.
Oh, come here, bro. I'll give you a freaking hug, man. both on low energy. 2 negative turns into positive, right? Come. the way the
Okay,
market is
value
behaving.
area low shifted to the downside, so value is chasing price. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
love that, Christian. Well done.
Yeah, you guys teach me that.
Christian.
Well done.
Christian with the name drop. Love it.
That
Love
was so good. Well done, bro. I'm proud right now. I'm bloody proud. Well done.
Christian is the G.
But yeah,
Guys,
it's trading view profile, so yeah. Ninja Trade is also doing it a little bit, so still.
just to give you guys a heads up, tomorrow I'm going to be slightly late to NYSE, probably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Just got an appointment I've got to get to, but I'll do my best to be here for 1 o'clock.
Gotcha.
I've taken 2 beautiful trades during London. It doesn't just missed a fill for New York. It's already hit the take profit, so. And also, I'm just about to get locked out of my account as well because of news coming up. So in about 10 minutes time, new home sale.
Oh.
High impact on the Alpha Capital.
Hold up. Let me call my cousin up in New York and ask him whether people been buying homes or not.
Yeah, it's already gone.
Is your cousin Donald?
Yeah. No, it's Donald Trump. Donald the
guys.
Duck. You
are a
very good person. Very good person.
If you want to,
Donald
guys,
the
of
Duck.
course, you can put a limit order there if you wanted to, but obviously manage your risk. You know, still got a lot of room to the downside, guys.
No, I'm not touching it anymore. That's it. It's
Yeah,
done.
it's already smashed the take profit, isn't it?
Yeah. It's just messy right now because I see heavy volume to the top, heavy volume to the bottom. It's just, yeah. Being patient paid off, eh?
Oh, beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Fantastic trade, fantastic shorts all round in Flow Trading Academy. Beautiful to see. Great day all round. It's a Tuesday. Having an amazing week, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join the Flow Trading Academy community. And in fact, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day there before I get locked out anyway of the Alpha Capital prop firm account. So, guys, had a really good session today. I was unable to capitalize on the sales, but I know that Kay did, and a lot of people in the community did as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all the likes today. Thank you for all the views. Thank you for the subs. As I said, we just need 3 more subs. 3 more subs, guys, to get to a nice big round number. And I will see you guys tomorrow. As I said, probably slightly later. New York tomorrow because of all the news that's coming up. I've also got an appointment, so starting a little bit later isn't the end of the world with all the news that's coming out during New York. So, guys, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
See you, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Take care.